Ooh, what a fire beat. It's for the free. Hey, on YouTube, let me put on the light. Boom. I am glad to be back. Glad to be back live on YouTube, TikTok, and Twitch. Best. I am the best streamer here, the best guru who keeps it 110% with y'all. Man, this beat is fire. The beat is fire. Let's stop the beat. Woo! Woo! That beat had me sweating. Ain't gonna lie, that was a fire beat. It is for the free. It's a heartbeat, dark type beat. Hard boom bap rap. That's a fire beat. Go find it on YouTube. I ain't gonna do your research. Don't do your own research. Find your own beat. Stop. Don't steal my beats. Too fire. I'm gonna gatekeep that beat. I'm gonna gatekeep that beat. Welcome to the stream. I am happy that y'all were here to join me. I have a list of things I want to talk about. I want to make this an hour-long stream. But if I go shorter or longer, that's because God and knowledge is free, and I'm gonna drop it for the free. Hopefully I sound good in the mic, you know what I'm saying? And OBS does its thing by muting my mic. I am grateful to be here. I am happy to be here. So let's get it started for real. Let's get it started. And kind of wanted to talk about one thing I wanted to talk about is time. Let me present something. Time. Let me find an image. Because let me share an image because I want to be more professional when I live stream. So I want to talk about time. And what is time? Time, like we only have 100 years, given or taken, lower or higher. If you're blessed to live up to 100 years on this earth, we could lose everything, but one thing that's never we can always make new things. Family is important. We can't get that back, but time is very important. And I want to talk about the importance of time and not wasting the time we have on this earth. It's easy. What's funny about trading and anything we do in general, it's easy to waste time. That's the easiest, especially nowadays. We got TikTok. If you watch me on TikTok, don't leave my stream because but we got TikTok, we got a lot of avenues, which is fighting for time. Like everything is fighting for time. Advertisement is fighting for time. Like sports, your favorite influencers are fighting for your time. And I just kind of want to talk about how important it is to what you do with your time. This is an infinite resource. This is an infinite resource. It's infinite. It's going quick. It's going carrick. People, even when you work, you're putting your time, exchanging it for money. You know what I'm saying? Your special labor, but your time there is exchanged for money. So just think about what we do with our time. We gotta be more mindful. Even not, we gotta be more mindful of what we do with our time. What we do with our time. So time is infinite, and we gotta keep ourselves busy. We gotta stay busy. We gotta stay busy, 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 busy. You know what I'm saying? You gotta stay busy. You gotta stay busy. You gotta stay busy. You gotta we got to stay busy. This is good. You want to be this guy. You want to have you want to have your calendar where it's like, damn, I ain't got. You gotta squeeze in time. You gotta be busy. Stay busy. Don't waste your time. Because staying busy is that you are working towards something. If you're not busy, then you're not working towards. Okay, there's nothing wrong with relaxing. Was in Christian? Thank you for joining live. Was in with it. Was in with it. But we gotta keep ourselves busy for real. We got to stay busy. We gotta just not busy on work, but busy on achieving our life's goals. You know what I'm saying? Like it's funny. The stock videos, the pictures shows like this guy's busy with work, signing off things. Like you want to be this guy where everybody's asking for attention because you're so busy. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to be, let's say, lazy or wasting time. Let me say, wasting time, wasting. Typing is terrible. I need typing class. Wasting time. What's the stock? You don't want to waste time. You don't want to put your time in a dumpster. This is a perfect image. You don't want to waste your time. You want to stay busy. We want to work. We want to consistently work towards our goals. Consistently work towards our goals and trying to achieve, the unimaginable. We are trying to achieve the unimaginable. Because you know what? It is like, dreams are like imaginations. We are trying to achieve something that's unimaginable. Or we can imagine it. The thing is about the internet, we can see other people live that life you want to do, and it's easier said than done, right? But you can imagine, or you can try to achieve something that's never been done before. Like how do you think Jeff Bezos or Elon Musk got to? They are in places that nobody would have imagined anybody would have. But like they spend their time on their things. They spend their time on their things that they don't waste their time. They're constantly working or putting other people to work, and they're constantly managing a lot of things. So they are busy. They are wanted. But we're as traders, trading is a lifestyle. We want a healthy lifestyle. Lifestyle. Look, we want a healthy lifestyle. You know what I'm saying? Healthy. When someone says healthy lifestyle, a healthy lifestyle is like a balance of all things. But to achieve a healthy lifestyle, we want to work towards our goals. Having our goals, a healthy lifestyle to achieve the unimaginable. So that's my first point of my live stream is just to stay busy. We are trying to achieve the unimaginable. We're trying to achieve the unimaginable, the unimaginable, the unimaginable. Uh, almost like to achieve the unimaginable, you know. And like we spend a lot of time. Even like I'm guilty of spending time on things that are not important. The thing is, like one of my first few streams of the year, I said the hardest thing is change. The hardest thing is change, and change is very hard. Change is very tough. Change is very tough. Change is very tough. Like this is hard. Some people running is tough. You know what I'm saying? Achieving the unimaginable is tough. Achieving the hard things is tough. It's very tough to achieve the unimaginable. It's really tough, real tough. But as I said, like it's tough to achieve certain things, and we know that it's not gonna be easy. You know what I'm saying? We know that it's not gonna be easy to achieve that. So trading, like trading, being a successful trader is not just how good you are at knowing when price is gonna drop or price is gonna go up and down. It's also it's about how well you like you make trading your lifestyle. You know what I'm saying? Whatever you do, you can read more books. You can even put out more content if you want to be a successful trader. You want to put out more content. Like you put it out there. You put out and you get back. Like the Bible says, sow your seed. I mean, sow your seed so you can reap the rewards. There's plenty of rewards in trading. Money is infinite, so we gotta plant our seeds. We gotta talk about it. Keep it in our front heads too. Keep it in our mind. So trading is very lifestyle orientated lifestyle, like a lifestyle endeavor. Trading is a lifestyle endeavor. Trading is a lifestyle endeavor. That's why it's not easy. A lot of people fail because they feel like it's just a chart. They only gotta look at a chart. Let me go into my just chatting. They think that trading is just looking at charts and that's it. But trading is like swimming. We are going across the Atlantic Ocean on a tugboat, and not even tugboat. We're going across the Atlantic Ocean on in a canoe. In a canoe. So it's very deep. It's very vast. It's very wide. Very dangerous, and we got to understand that. But it's also a lifestyle to get used to what's going on with trading. It's a lifestyle. It's not just numbers on a chart. It's just buying and selling. It's more than that. It's about changing what you practice, what you put in your head, what you take out. It's about educating yourself too. How do you educate yourself? If you want to be better, how do you even decide to, you gotta be constantly educating yourself. Constantly educating yourself. I'll repeat the important things. With me, when I say it more than 3 times or 3 times in a row, I'm trying to put in your head that trading is a healthy lifestyle. It's a lifestyle, and money's not gonna come out of thin air. You're gonna have to put in the work. You're gonna have to put in the work if you want to trade successfully. If you want to be, somewhere where you want to achieve the unimaginable goals, you're going to have to put in work, extra work. Trading is not for the average person. Like, when they say trading is not for average person, it's not like, oh, you got to be extraordinary. No, trading is requires you to do more than the average person. Like, you might like you can trade doing any career. You can be a doctor, be a lawyer. Those people fail at trading because you gotta not just put in time and effort. You also gotta put in your money. You know what I'm saying? You gotta put in your knowledge to the test. Trading is tough. It's a lifestyle. Like, a lot of people's lifestyles are just used to coming from work and pretty much doing nothing. Get on the TV, watch TV for 8 hours, and then trading is more than that. Trading is, you're gonna have to do your job. Like, not everybody has a lifestyle where, or is blessed with a lifestyle where they can just not work and have infinite money to trade. So the average American has a job, 9 to 5, but we're trading to be above average person. You're gonna have to put in above average work. To be a sole trader, you're gonna have to put above average work to become a successful trader. And that's why, like, trading is very, very, like, it's good. Trading is good. It's very, it's like, it just gives you freedom too. One thing about trading, why is it so hard? Why do I like get onto the psychology of trading, and why is it a lifestyle? Because it requires you to have, like, you have to go beyond. You can't just be average and expect great results with trading. Trading, one thing about trading too, why do I say trading is a lifestyle? Because your lifestyle reflects on what's on the chart. I'm gonna repeat that again. To be a successful trader, your lifestyle is gonna reflect on the chart. So if you're desperate, you're desperate, you need the money, you're gonna show desperation when you buy and trade. You know what I'm saying? But if you have a good mental being where you're not over trading, it's going to show in different forms. Over trading, greed. Like, trading reveals all your kinks in life. Trade reveals all your kinks. If you got pride, trade will show you that you are prideful. That's how deep this is. Trading is not just numbers on a chart. It's always fun to talk about the numbers, talk about the charts. It's more than that. And I want to illustrate that, like, it's more than just the numbers. It's more than the numbers. Numbers. Black Ops. Numbers, Mason. The numbers. Damn. Damn, they really overdid Black Ops. Remember the numbers. It's more than the numbers. It's deeper. Shout out and give it a, hey. Show us a thumbs up if you play Black Ops 1, man. What a great story mode, man. It's more than just the numbers. More than the numbers, bro. Black Ops 7. What the heck? Call it is cooked. All right. Score. What? Free TikTok coins. Cool. Whatever. So, thank you for the engagement. If you're trying to scam me anyway, but things, how things are going, what's going on in the stock market? You know what I'm saying? Uh, we are seeing a pullback. You know, this is normal. We're trading at all times highs for consecutive weeks. Like, go back to the Dow Jones, and then let's hit the Monday. So like, and we're at all time highs. Like we are at all times high. Like we were at all times highs for a while, and you know, we cannot expect. We cannot expect. Go to this. We cannot expect the market to, you know, infinitely go up. And I like a healthy market. A sign of a healthy market is pullbacks. You know, I love pullbacks. That's a part of the market. That's a part of trading. You know, there's always gonna be pullbacks, and as traders, we just gotta know like what's up. Like even here, buy itself, pullback. You know, things went crazy. Another thing, you know, I watched one of my old videos, and it is important to look at older and longer time frames. Those time frames are valid. They point where the market is going. You know, we had this great indication, you know, but the Bulls came to play. The Bears came to play in this bear season, baby. This bear season, Tesla's had six consecutive bear days, man. It's bear times. It's the bear time. It's bear and grills, baby. How many bear days? Nvidia has one, two, three, four consistent, consistent, consistently bear days. Shout out to J&J, you know what I'm saying? Doing his thing. But it's okay. The market trends down and you cannot panic. I say this is the best time. This is the best time to get into the market. Your favorite stocks are freaking cheap. Are cheap. Nvidia, Tesla, the Magnificent Seven. You know what I'm saying? This is good. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all all scared Google, Amazon, Meta. Like, if you have cash on hand, this is the best time to invest. Ain't gonna lie. Ain't gonna lie, it's the best time to invest. I might put in some more money into this. Not gonna lie to you. Not gonna lie to you. This is a good time to invest. Good time to invest. But like, you know, we're reaching lows though. And that's okay. Like if you want to be a trader, it's a good time to be a trader. Why is it a good time to be a trader? We're seeing volatility, you know, 5% drop, 2% drop. Hey, that's good for us, you know what I'm saying? But investing, like it's gonna your portfolio gonna look shaky. But look, a lot of people buy. What's funny for the know me person, like for people who don't know, a lot of people tend to get into the market when it's at its all time highs, you know. But the time to buy is now. I ain't gonna lie, the time to buy is now. Like, you know what I'm saying? We could be in a bear market for the whole 2025. I'm gonna be buying the whole year. It's still buy season. There's still great opportunities to get into the market. 2024 was an unreal year for the Bulls, but you know it's big. It's big. It is big. Sell to tell off times. The Bears play. You know what I'm saying? The Bears and the Bulls. It's a fair market. It's a fair market. You know we have our bullish and we have a bearish trend. We're definitely in a bear trend. You know what I'm saying? And you know like selling underneath support. Like the stuff I preach when I'm back testing, even your own guy who preached this, I should follow definitely follow my let me take this off. There ain't no music playing. Ooh, excuse me. I should definitely follow my own teachings, but I'll be too scared, ain't gonna lie. Not too scared, but I just don't know. And experience is the best teacher. Experience is the best teacher. If you want to learn, if you want to become a better trader, you gotta go through it. You gotta go through certain markets. And it's like it never fails. Support right here. Boom. Boom. Look at that. Like I always like the easiest thing, like sell underneath support. Price went underneath support. You sell. We gotta sell. We gotta sell. We gotta sell. Gotta trust. This is on a weekly too. This is weekly. On a daily. Boom. Look at that. Wait. Nvidia. So Nvidia. How many negative weeks have we had with Nvidia? We had one, two, three, four negative weeks in a row. So this has been a turning terrible week. Few weeks for it, and it's tough. Like we are a lot of U.S. Buyers are used to bull markets. It's easy, always buy above the resistance, but now it's time to do the opposite. So you know what I'm saying? Like, look at this. We had this crazy uptrend. Even though I flipped the chart, it can be the same. You have, if you have problems, you have issues with selling, you can just put your chart upside down and start selling, and pretend that you're buying. And your targets, depending on how the market's moving, target one, target two, and target three. You know what I'm saying? Spy can be tested at that level. And there's more tariffs to come. And I love that. I love that this shit gonna fall apart. I'm all in for it. Back tested this bad boy on a daily, redraw it. You have a problem, selling, just make your chart upside down. You have a problem selling, just make your chart upside down. Make that chart upside down. You got this right here. Get some text. I'm just 1 day resistance. I never seen a guy do a chart back upside down. Yeah, it's upside down. It's the 1 day support. Boom. Boom. That's funny, ain't it? That's funny, huh? And price could definitely continue downward. But how do we know if price gonna be reversing? The price gonna show you that it's reversing. We're gonna start breaking higher highs and lower lows. If we're not doing that, then price gonna continue creating lower lows and lower highs. Ain't gonna lie, Loki liked this little setup though. I like doing this upside down though, cause sometimes we kind of hard headed. I'm hard headed, ain't gonna lie. That I like to see a bear market. I'm so used to drawing it up on you know what I'm saying, on a bull market. Now we seeing some bear market, which is good experience. Like as a trader ourselves, we look at every single market as a good experience. Support here, support held for a little bit, broke through. That was the initial indication right here. That indication, you know what I'm saying? Also had indication above here. Also had indication above here. Back up right here. Let me write some star resistance. Star resistance right here. I. Boom. QQ. You can do this upside down too. It's if you're used to bulls, bro, if you're used to groove, you can definitely, turn this upside down. And we're in a bear market, but targets, man. Target, target, target. Simple as that. Tesla is definitely knocking off. That would have hit, you know, ain't gonna lie. If Tesla goes underneath 200, I'm I'm buying. I'm buying. What am Adam? What am Adam? Then with it was am Christian Kaepernick's, but I got this chart upside down with it though. You have a hard time because this is a lot of traders are used to a bull market. We like to see all kinds of markets. This is the bear market. This is the first bear market in a long while. Like, you know, if you go to SPY, like our last bear market was 2022 for real. Like right here, this is our last real pullback. Pullbacks occur though. Pullbacks occur. Like I don't mind a bear market as long as I can trade it and I know what I'm investing in is gonna, overall turn around and be good. There's no point of tripping. Um, so that's what's really going on. We are in a bear market. If I go to, you know, like even though the big seven is having a tough time, which is good. Like y'all scared. People are scared. If you're scared, then you don't need to be trading at all. Let's go to I think Hosier. 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 He made a great short. This guy made a great short. I'm gonna listen.
The Magnificent Seven are 7 tech companies which make up 28% of America's total market capitalization.
You heard that? Seven stocks make up 28% of the total market capital of the United States.
As of 2025. They're magnificent because in 2024, over half of the entire S&P 500's growth was from these 7 stocks alone, which made...
Boom. Listen up, lesson in order. If you are beginning to invest in these 7 companies right now. And then they're all on sale. I look at the bear market as a quick sale. Thank you for the roses, Christian. It's all a sale, bro. It's like these are very tough like companies right now. Like get into them. I'm gonna look at the 7. I'm gonna finish the whole video. I know y'all want to listen to the video, but let me let y'all listen to the video. Then I'm gonna talk about why your portfolio should definitely reflect these companies because they 50% of growth. You want to see growth in your portfolio, man. Buy these stocks, man.
millions of investors a lot of money, but also leaves the US stock market in a scary situation, being more concentrated in one industry than at any other time in recent history. But which country has the most concentrated stock market? France's top 5 luxury goods companies make up 37% of its stock market. It's a bit higher for Portugal's top 2 energy companies at 39%, and the Samsung Republic itself has 46% of its value in its 5 largest tech stocks.
That's
but
tough.
You won't find the real concentrations unless you look at the stock markets dominated by a single company. Argentina has Mercado Libre at 50.
That's crazy. Like that's half of the country, bro. That's half of the capital.
2%.
I can't
Denmark
talk.
has Novo Nordisk at 53%, and Taiwan has TSMC at 50%.
TSMC is a good stock to invest to. What is TMC? Let's look it up actually. Look at my bookmark. Read this. The group. He said TSMC. Taiwan. Let's look up TSMC right here. TSMC. Did I spell that wrong? I'm tripping. Searched it. No results. Oh, it's TMS. 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 Beat earnings. Looking good. Um, what am I looking for? Looking for the price. Where's the stock price? So Taiwan is a semiconductor manufacturing code. This is the world's largest dedicated chip foundry with over 60% market share. TMC was founded in 1987 as a joint venture of Philips, the government of Taiwan, and private investor. It went public. Da 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 da. So the AI, if you want to have a good portfolio, like a good, if you don't want to miss out on AI boom, this was one of the TMC's a good. Okay, I might get into this, and I like that they are returning. They are beating revenues. We've seen that growth, but it's 2 minutes. Okay, I will join, man. I will join, please. Stock analysis. This is one of the best stock analysis charts ever. It also has an analyze like people are saying buy, but everything's going stock list, whatever the industry. This is by industry. This is healthcare. Like you can look at, bro. This stock analysis is a really good TMC. So back to this stock. Okay, let's talk about the financials, man. Income looking good. I ain't gonna lie. We seen 2024 a 33% growth in revenue, which is beautiful. Um, then what about the operating income? Are we profitable? Are we profitable? Let's see. Net income. We are growing. We grew about 31%. We made $1 billion in revenue. No common net income. This is net income, which is good. Like investors love to see, even on a quarterly, investors love to see growth. Look at this growth, 50% net income growth. Beautiful cash flow. Free cash flow is growing. Like this is, bro. These stocks are. We got our total assets, and then the liability. I like the liability ratio is really good. I love it. Like the liability to asset ratio is really good. I mess with it. Um, bro, this is a good stock to buy, and it's on discount. You know what I'm saying? Let's look at the overall price right here. Let's go past year to date. You know, we were at one. This is a good discount. We always love a good pullback, man. And like I said, like people always complain when prices are like overbought. Y'all buy here, but it's always good to wait it out, be patient. Now it's time to get in. Save up your money and get into it. And there's a forecast, bro. Like the stock is low. It's on sale. Like, sorry, man. Let me finish the video. I'm just. This was a great. Give this a thumbs up. A great video, man. A little short. I'm gonna make my shorts too. Believe it.
7%. Then, tied for first place at nearly 2/3 of their country's value stuffed into one company are Saudi Arabia with Saudi Aramco and the Czech Republic with Ches. The Magnificent Seven are 7 tech.
Hey, if you want a strong, good portfolio, I say get into these, man. Ain't gonna lie. I'm buying. I'm putting in some bread. I'm putting bread in the 7 magnificent. And look, there's 7. Listen up. This is a great clip, bro.
Companies which make up 28% of America's total market
You want to be America, 28% of America, buy those stock. If you want to own half of America, buy those stock.
capitalization as of 2025. They're magnificent because in 2024, over half of the entire S&P 500's growth was from these 7 stocks alone.
Let me play that again for y'all. Let me play that again for y'all. If y'all missed that, people with earwax in their ears.
They're magnificent because in 2024, over half of the entire S&P 500's growth was from these 7 stocks alone.
That's all I gotta say. Like, we're here to build our investment portfolio and successful trade. And y'all, the thing is about the news. One thing I don't like about the news is they're not trying to give you tips on reinvesting or none of that good stuff. You know what I'm saying? They just want to scare the bejeebies out of you. You know what I'm saying? Scare the bejeebies out of the, common people. This is the latest news, man. And but great stocks. Hey man, this the shit. I'm buying Tesla, man. Buy. This is my stock pick of the day. TSM. Wait, out of here. All right, TSM. Let's do analysis on TSM. Uh, earnings hub. The video got cooked, even with paying dividends and stuff. This shit got cooked. God dang. The price was underneath support, so we knew that's not good. Let's go on a 4 hour. Got cooked. Lucid. Oh, Lucid got fried. Why Lucid got fried? We had downtrend indication. Downtrend indication. You know, fried. Protect. Underneath support. Not good. But we can do a little flippity flip. And all right, where are the targets? Let's find the targets. How low can we go? How low can we go? Can we hit these targets? $24. Hey, 2025 gonna be a hard year for a lot of these companies, man. Not 2020. I mean 2024, 2025 is gonna be hard for a lot of these companies because it's not the election year. The market is not pumping infinite money into it. It's not getting pumped. Is that us getting cooked too? You know what I'm saying? Prices we're not need support. It's continuing to making lows. Maybe we might even reach these. Um, and damn, everything's been cooked. This guy dropped 11% today. Ride. Let's go back. Ride. Underneath support. Underneath support. Cooked. And now, you know me. I love all that, but I'm dropping that shit. Me, we have the what, what was it? TMS? Let me see. TSM. TSM. Boom. TSM. I know analyze this. Prices tanking too shit. But I feel like it's a great investment though, I ain't gonna lie. Thing is about investments, they don't automatically, you know, it's we in a bull market, I mean bear market. And like I said, we are trading what we see, and market's getting fried right now, and it's time to buy in. Buy in. Buy in a little bit here. Price get here, I'm gonna get in a little bit more. Price get here, I'm gonna get in a little bit more. But trading, keep selling until, you know, Price shows us otherwise. And that's how trading works, man. Easy. And investing. We are investing slash trading at the same time. Um, but I'm about to start get back testing before I end this live, though. I'm about to back test before I end this live, and I think a few things I wanted just to summarize. Summarize what kind of went over my stock pick of the day. It wasn't even on earnings hub, you know. Actually, Loki was. They had great earnings. Q4 earnings were good. That's enough. Um, the exporting goods. Nope. 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 Oh, they had these. What is this? Price. Price been getting cooked. Past year, price went down. Dang. You know, it's not been friendly. Not been friendly at all. Market has not been friendly. Things. Zim. Earnings. Eagle. Okay. I like Zim. Zim. What is Zim? Zim. Shipping services, LDTs, assistant like container shipping company. It offers uh, land transportation, logistics. More of like a trucking company. Um, them can be a good little get in. I like them. Oof. And Earnings Hub is clutch, man. Clutch. It even has analysis for you. You know, a lot of people are selling, not a lot of buys. You know what I'm saying? The news, uh, price. I don't know. I like this. I might get into a little bit of Zim Incorporated. Might buy some, you know, buy some shiggity, sure. Shiggity, liggity, biggity. Ultra. This is the beer company. Oh, nice. You can beat 2022. I'm gonna get into actually I'm gonna pick Zims too. Let's see how Zim this company. This is gonna be my second pick. Oh no. There's no this we got low hopes for this stock right here. Shipping services. What about financials though? We're looking at financials. Annually we've been growing. Q Q Q the quarters we've been growing revenue. Operating income. Pre-income and tax. Net income, good. Not too much growth percentage. Let's look at the that balance sheet. Learn ratios too. Cash flow, the liability, the cash flow, total assets. Total assets 11 billion, liability 7 billion. So it's not the best, but it doesn't hurt diversifying our portfolio. Doesn't hurt diversifying our portfolio. Let's look up my man Zim. I like Zim. One of our picks. Zimbabwe. Shout out Zimbabwe. Zim. Okay. Have a clear support. Clear support right here. Prices bounced off that level a few times. You even call this the support level right here. But we have a resistance right here. Oh, it's a strong resistance. Ooh, wait. Ah, That price was, I'm trying to break that resistance, but nah. Psych, nah. You know, this resist, have this support level right here, marking it right here. I can make this tighter if I want to, but I probably don't have that much. So I like price above $23. I think it's a great opportunity to get into the market at that level. Um, and we already had indication above that level that price can go up to at least $29, $30. And this is our indication. Our indication. Boom. It's funny. I invest the way I trade too, or just on a longer time frame. But on a smaller time frame, um, prices to all see prices slow resistance right here. 1 hour resistance. Got the 1 hour support right here. Let me just figure it out. Support. Um, like the resistance. Support level. This level right here. Shorter time frame play. I would love to see price break this resistance, and ultimately, I want price to break this high right here and see continuation on the upside. Earnings is dropping. They're expected to make $2 billion, $2 billion in revenue. That's their analyst expectation. So they expect to make uh back down here, lower. Like they expect to make $2 billion for Q freaking 4, which is very bad, you know. So they're expected to make. So we might see price continue downward, and it might be a selling opportunity. You know what I'm saying? And we also got some indication, little indication here, but price tends to hold up this $17 level. But I want price to go above the $23, clean above 2050 level, because above that level we definitely see price push above it and go to $30 before prior, you know. But also we expect to make $2 billion, which is not good because we're not seeing consistent growth. Not seeing consistent growth. But if you want to be a gambling man, take your bets. But me, I like I want price to break above this resistance and continue upward, you know. But my picks for the stock for real was TMZ. Oh, this is on sale. It's on discount. A lot of stocks are on discount, man. Let me have, I'll call it the yellow list. So boom, boom. Go to my I don't know the symbols. I'll go to Google. Below. Down. What was it? Amazon. I don't know the Amazon or AMZ. Boom. Yellow. I'll give you a list. Not gonna. Okay, yellow. What did that man say? What did that man say? This this is Apple. Let me create a new list. You called. You called. Got the earnings hub, ETF, NGs. Ooh, we seen some NGs rebound. This rebounded nicely. Broke this resistance. And boom, we back to this old resistance. And y'all don't let price, don't let price play with y'all. Man. Might look grim, but price is always gonna its way back up. It's how good you invest. Invest is a long term play. Um, even this right here, man. Right here. Right here. Here's our energies are doing good, man. We've seen any rebound in our energy stocks. Gel, gel. I'm gonna get into some gel. It's only broke above resistance. You know what I'm saying? And if we break 13, bro, price gonna go crazy. Might go to 20s, man. This is my energy stock watch list. Price is underneath support, but seeing you know, some price is not really moving, which is good. I need to actually, dang, I'm doing a lot today, man. I'm gonna save. I'm gonna clean up my energy watch list, but I'm creating my future investment. God, cooked. Hood, Hood is back at $37. Cooked. This is buying time. This is good. All the nomies, man. When the stock market does bad, they all run away, and it's affecting Robinhood. But I'm gonna stay invested in Robinhood, AMD, fried, you know, super fried, and to be honest, like AMD probably gonna drop some more. You know what I'm saying? I'll put that little 1 hour resistance there, and then you put your 1 hour support. And this is what I call a downtrend. Perfect downtrend. Selling needs support, boom. Selling needs support indication, selling needs support. Um Reddit. Reddit has been cooked too. Reddit insider sold shares worth $1 billion. About $1 billion? I think it's $1 billion. Reddit insider sold shares worth 14. Yeah, they're just selling shares left and right. Oh yeah, price when I need support. Reddit. Now Reddit's back at $100. You know, I think it's a good time to buy though. Good time to buy. But sheesh, they're selling off. They're making their money. I like that. I like all my watch lists. Watch list I want to open. Boom. Orange list. I got too many lists, bro. Orange list. It's the Apple, Amazonian, Amazonian, and it's so cheap. Apple. I think it's A. PLL. Yup. What else? What else we missing? I got Apple, Nvidia, Google, Meta, Meta, Meta in this bitch. We got Meta. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Microsoft, Micro, off, Microsoft. Boom. I got the 7 right here. The Tesla getting stir fried. We got Nvidia stir cooked. Apple, I mean Google, Amazon. Man, Apple had a tough day today. What's this? R word. Fear send stock on market lower. What's the R word? Apple, Nvidia led Mondays. Bro, $750 million lost in the aftermath. God darn. Recession? I don't know what's going on. Boom. Bro, it's getting cooked, man. And that's okay, because on the daily on these bad boys. Yeah. And telling y'all though, y'all scared. Y'all letting the red candlestick scare y'all. Y'all letting the red candlestick scare y'all. Y'all letting this. If you should be buying right now, man. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna load up these stocks. Boom. Look at this right here. Microsoft. Hey, Microsoft. Bruh, we should have known it was cooked. It was at this resistance level. I mean support level right here. It been held since 2024. Yeah, Microsoft. You're cooked. Cooked to the boom. And then one thing I want to tell the people: trading should not be complicated. Investing should not be complicated. The market is deep. There's so much things that go on in the background, but try to keep it simple to make your decision making simple. You know what I'm saying? Yo, I didn't even put it. At this support level. Okay, tomorrow's stream. Hezzy, god darn. Oof. Oof, 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 oof. Hey man, if you're not buying, you're asleep at the wheel. You're asleep at the wheel. Do not call yourself an investor. There's so many opportunities. So many opportunities. There's so many opportunities. And there's earnings up. Boom. Then I like the red and orange. Yeah. Just Amazon. But thank you for I'm back testing. I'm gonna go ahead and start back testing, dog. Ain't gonna lie. Like I'm been here for a quick hard minute. How long I've been going? I have a timer. Dang. Okay, I've been going for an hour. Let me do just back testing right quick, you know what I'm saying? Do some back testing real quick. Real quick, real quick, real quick. Look at that. Practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect. Like LeBron James practices more basketball than he plays, man. Like the game, how long is a basketball game? Like it's like an hour? It is an hour. Because he has 4 quarters to play. But I know he'd be in practice way longer than that. You know what I'm saying? Actually 48 minutes. One basketball game is 48 minutes, but I know he practiced more than 48 minutes a day. You know what I'm saying? When he's, to be great at something, to be out, like I said, back to my back to my opening lines when I said that if you want to be good at like trading, you can't be an average person. Like, you gotta practice more than shoot. You know what I'm saying? Because trading reflects like what we are. So I see like I'm liking this little pullback right here. I'm gonna start incorporating um long higher time frames, but I'm gonna mark up a smaller time frame. This let's clear the drawings though. Clear these drawings. You know what I'm saying? And clear our minds. Clear all drawings to clear your minds. Because backtesting is not, it's more than just putting in one sell, one buy. Put the 1 hour support right here. Support level, boom. Actually, let's go into daily. Oh, okay, cool. I love this play. I love where the market is currently going. You know, hourly. Boom. Backtest the way y'all see me mark up the charts. I do the same. Like it's about doing the same thing over and over again too. What makes trading hard is you're gonna be doing the same thing over and over and still lose. That's the thing. You might trading. Let me clear that up. With trading, you're going to be taking the right trade and still lose, but you're still gonna still have to take that right trade. You know what I'm saying? There's so many factors in trading, but trading is a lifestyle. Trading is a lifestyle. Saw a little bit of distance right here, shorter resistance, but we got the pullback. You know what I'm saying? That's why we don't. And then one thing I want to teach is it's okay to miss the initial pain. It's okay to miss because not every, there's gonna be other buses. Our job as traders is to look for the next opportunity. So I'm looking right now. I'm fishing. I got my fishing rod. I'm looking for the next opportunity. You know what I'm saying? Looking for the next opportunity. You know what I'm saying? And we're not going to be trying to FOMO every single like, old resistance. Get out of my new resistance. You old news. We have indication right here. Boom. You know, and price kind of slow down at this level, but I'm gonna mark at this level because seeing it's a very critical point in on the chart. Price broke support a little bit, but it did not close underneath. Closes. Okay, so what's important too is to know where price has been before. So I'm gonna take a 1 to 3, and we know price has been underneath this level. So okay, moving our moving our stop loss into profit. So this trade is free, 99. So we're gonna let whatever happens happen. So price did not end up breaking the lower low. This is a good sign. It's a good sign because now, like I said, we had this low, but this was a slightly lower low. We had a slight lower low. Now we have low key a head and shoulders. We have a head and shoulders. You have a head and shoulders. Come on. Head and shoulders right here. Make this yellow because I like to just copy this. Delete. Delete. Boom. And boom. Oh, I feel like price is gonna continue upward a little bit. Think some pullback. Okay, that's good. I'm waiting for ooh. Okay, price came back underneath support. broke through. But let's see if we get to this level. Boom, broke underneath it. So it that's the thing about trading. It can definitely invalid your outlook. You know what I'm saying? But nah, we know prices making lower lows. We're definitely in the selling market, and um, I kind of got excited about this heading shorters. I kind of left my rule. My rule is to sell underneath support. So when price reversed, I was more excited about this buy, but I missed that price can definitely come back and miss the play. And I ain't gonna make every single play. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't perfect, but it sucks though. You know what the loss of potential dollars hurts more than the loss of just losing it all. So boom, I like that price at this levels right here. It's just fighting. We're going back and forth. Be a potential opportunity to sell, but it's Friday, so we're gonna just let Friday cook. Okay. Monday morning price comes back above the resistance. It's okay. Me keeping it cool. That's indication, indication, indication. Boom. Let's see what price does. Price really closes underneath support. So we sell again because we're in a down market. It's a 1 to 2.5, 1 to 3, 1 to 3 potentially. Um, then hope I can see it properly. Boom. I forget this is a show too. I want to keep you entertained. Okay, price continues downward. Price, look, he does a little figgity thingy. Now move up. We more than 40% into it. Oh, that's another rule I want to write down. I'm gonna write some rules down. Price has if price you in a position, if price is 40% into your if you 40% to profit, move your stop loss at break even or close to break even or a little bit into profit. Just as our job is to protect the capital, and that's what we do. So sometimes trading views be tripping. That was not a loss on my end. Well, actually, it is though, because when I'm actually trading, when you have your stop loss and the market goes over your stop loss, it's gonna close you underneath it. So actually, that's valid though. I ain't gonna lie. Even though I had it, I had my stop loss in the green. That actually can happen in actual life. So you gotta be careful when you holding a trade overnight. And we can't be upset because they got a lot of uncontrollable factors. Stock market, our job is protect the future. Okay, we got a little bit of uh, bullish engulfings. Dang, can you continue downward, please? The 1 to 2.5. Okay, now price is starting to really consolidate a little bit. So let me restart. Well, restarting is really it's like re recharting up your chart. You know what I'm saying? Like because I love this resistance level. Let's go back. It's a good resistance level, but I'm seeing prices being more choppy in this area, so it really doesn't indicate good buying and selling opportunities at this level. So you can always edit, where you think the market. It's always good to adjust and edit your chart, even though you can see that it would have been cool if price continued down, but we're seeing that it's keep on bouncing this level. We don't want to buy at this. I mean, we don't want to sell, at our old levels because we've seen prices not fully moving. So adjusting is very important. Dang, let me get some energy, man. Uh, Take this off. I don't know why I still got this on. Maybe just keep my ears warm. But now I can hear myself. Adjusting our, chart is very important. When you, especially when we back test, we can see, that price is definitely very reactive, and this is like a clutter. We try to mark those up between the clutters because price doesn't really move efficiently. Now, overnight price decides to gap the hell down. We are underneath support, and I was told by a great genie that you still underneath support. Let's see what happens. You want to gap down? Okay. Nope. Okay. Damn. Got a little bit hesitant. Can't time at all. Okay. Falling underneath support again. Putting my stop loss there. It's a 1 to 2 ratio. Got cooked again. I'm okay with that. Ain't gonna lie. You know, our price is pushing above resistance. All right. Price closing underneath support again. I'm gonna sell at a 1 to 3 ratio. Keeping a decent ratio. Not over trading. It's very tough trading live too. Ain't gonna lie. Backtesting live is tough. Price is definitely being super choppy. I'm definitely adjusting my support level. It's definitely not the best support because price is definitely. That's the one thing I notice about uh the Dow Jones. It's very choppy, man. Very choppy. Running by above the resistance. So low the support. Not rules, man. Gapped gapped up like a son of a bitch. Being patient. Being patient even though price is above resistance. I want to see some bullish indication and what day it is. End of day Tuesday. We just have it's 12:30. Okay, I like that. We got a lot of bullish engulfing action. Working out targets B. Got wicked out. Ooh, that's tough. Got wicked out. Okay. And sometimes getting wicked out is not as bad because let's say I re-entered. Could have been a worse decision. Could have been a worse buy decision. We're being patient. Buying again. Buying again. This could be, say, 1 to 5. 1 to 5 opportunity. Mm-mm. Tough, tough, tough. Dow Jones is tough, ain't gonna lie. Like my best win ratios are on the QQQ and SPY. And sometimes you're not trained the right instrument. And not gonna lie to you, I've not had fun back testing Dow Jones. Sooner or later, I'm gonna drop my P&L I'm gonna drop my P&L for all the instruments I've tested, and I'm gonna show you my challenges too with the P&L. Buy above resistance again. What price gonna do for real? In 2000. Ew. There it is. Finally got that trade. What's funny about us consistently, one thing about having a good win ratio is that trades, it's a winner. Ooh, let's pick too early. Nah, did not. Following the rules, man. The golden rules, right here, right here. Look, follow them. See viewers, da da da. It's funny, people buy viewers, man. That's crazy. I'm getting advertisement to buy viewers. Hey, no, man. This is an organic stream. This is organic. If I'm gonna grow my audience, it's gonna be organic. I ain't gonna buy no damn viewers. But just follow my rules. Buying above the resistance. Definitely got wicked out. And you can't be mad. Our job is to protect our capital, and we bought above the resistance again. And one thing is, I'm not buying between this mess. This is you start buying within here, selling. We're not gambling. We're One thing about trading is we're taking calculated risk, and our win ratios are greater when we are selling and buying above the support and resistance. Um, it's also great to know that prices definitely was gonna go crazy above the resistance, and now like we had this old resistance. Um, Price can definitely continue upward, but I'm not, but slightly above to the 1 or 2. I'm gonna do a little one to make the make it a little tighter. Oh my gosh. Oh, double bot a double bot at the resistance again, because bot this resistance. Following my rule. And then I saw price break above this and I'll buy again. Insta take, instant profit. Like, this is how you make money trading. We just follow our rules, stick to our rules, good and bad, and not get bullshitted through it. You know what I'm saying? Just knocking the bullshit through, ain't gonna lie. Like, this is why I enjoy trading, because I could be in a hole, right? But knowing my rules, knowing that how important it is that to stay locked in, stay focused. And it's like, what's funny, like we're trading, we can just trade with just support and resistance, buying above resistance, selling below the support, and we can make money. You can just use two things. You know what I'm saying? And you can do this on different time frames, right? We can do this on different time frames. You can do us on different time frames. So like you can just bought price was above the resistance, you bought here, support level, and your target could have been here. Boom. You got indication. Right? Trading is like, isn't I'm not gonna say it's easy, it's a lifestyle. And then people just got shitty lifestyles. They don't want to change their lifestyles. They don't want to change their lifestyles. That's why it's hard for some people, because when it comes to trading, you gotta change your lifestyle. Not ready for that, then I'm sorry. Like, there's no success. You wanna go party, it's okay to party, there's nothing wrong with a little bit of partying, but you can't put more time in partying than putting time in trading. You know what I'm saying? Terrible buy, but we're above the resistance. So YOLO, we win. It's a terrible buy. Look at the wicks. You were wicking me out. I know I was gonna get wicked out. It is what it is. Um, actually, let me do this. Get out of here, and let me just T T boom It scared me. Scared me. One more trade before I go, man. Before I get done with my back testing. One more trade before I get back to before I get done with my back testing. My 20 minutes is up. I've been back testing for almost 60, 70 days. I missed one day though, I ain't gonna lie. I was just too freaking messed up. But I love what I do, man. This is fun, and above resistance, and we just hold, give it $1,000. I'm gonna give it 1,000. If I lose this trade, it what it. I don't have take profit. It'll be a 1-to-2 win rate ratio. Oh, let's move. Let me take my birthday away from me. Trailing, stop it. Trailing, stop it. Trailing, stop it. Trailing, and stop it. I'm being greedy. I'm being greedy. Boom, done with my back testing. 33% win ratio. Boom. Boom. On my Discord, our Discord. Dang, I'm 1/3 through the year. Damn. 69. Back testing every day. 69 days, man. Like I said, I have this short up. And this is the go in the game. You gotta. I'm living right now. I think I made this short like I don't know how long ago. Like it, but this is what I'm living right now. I want you to listen before I get off. This is what I'm living. Practice well. You gotta do well. LeBron James, like he probably plays 80 some games like a year or something. And by the way, I speak way better now. I use less. Even though I say a lot still, I've got to work on that. I don't use as many filler words. I get to the point a little better, a little quicker. So, listen, this is what you got to speak into existence. Like I'm practicing. We gonna have to make lifestyle changes. But he probably practiced for 200 like all those days. He probably practicing almost every day. I was trying to say LeBron practices like almost every day. He probably thinks about basketball almost every day, at least 20 minutes a day. He's thinking about basketball. Like, and you want to be great at what you do, and you don't think about it for at least 20 minutes, or you don't do some towards it. Like, be for real. There's 365 days in a year. 365 days in a year. I'm telling you, if you want to be really good at trading, you gotta practice. You gotta back test. You gotta look at back testing like you just going to the gym. You know what I'm saying? This is my gym. For 30 minutes a day, 15 minutes a day. It's gonna help. You know what I'm saying? Get to those good habits, and then you got back test with good habits. You know what I'm saying? Because bad practice doesn't help nobody, but good practice helps you a lot. You want to do really good in the game, you got to practice well. You got to do well. LeBron James, like he probably plays 80 some games like a year or something, but he probably practiced for 200 like all those days. He probably practicing almost every day. Facts. There's 365 days in a year. And I'm telling you, if you want to be really good at trading, you gotta practice. You gotta back test. You gotta look at back testing like you just going to the gym. You know what I'm saying? You can back test for 30 minutes a day, 15 minutes a day. It's gonna help. You know what I'm saying? Get to those good habits, and then you got back test with good habits. You know what I'm saying? Because bad practice doesn't help nobody, but good practice helps you a lot. You want to and that's all I gotta say. That's all I gotta tell you right there. That's all I gotta tell you right there, bro. That's all I gotta tell you right there. I had said that like almost a year ago, man. I'm back on my. I'm definitely gonna work on creating my shorts. I love I love y'all though. I ain't gonna lie. Love y'all. Like it's been a fire stream. Let me go back. It's been a fire stream. I'm grateful. Thank you for anybody who joined and dropped likes. Thanks. Like I appreciate the love, man. This is hard to do, but I appreciate this. Like motivation. This is motivation to me when I see 10 viewers on my live streams or one viewer or 6 viewers alike. It means so much to me. It's positive music. It means so much to me. You know what I'm saying? And this is a hard journey. It's a long journey, and I gotta keep going. You know, it's not over for any of us. Not over for anybody. But thank you for joining my live. Uganda Trades is almost out of here. Pray every day, trade every day, practice every day, and God will bless you.